Hey guys, happy Vlogmas. So for today's video, I've decided to do a cute little soft pink Christmas makeup look. Glittery like Christmas set. I feel like that would be really cute. And yeah, let's get started. Okay guys, so before we start, I obviously need to wash my face. So I'm taking out my nose ring. I do not understand how the makeup girlies can do their makeup with their nose rings in. Any type of facial jewelry though, to be honest. Let's put the robe on too, because it only makes sense. Y'all, I think I fucked up the camera settings. I don't know, y'all. Okay, I'm using my e.l.f. grip as my primer. And I also have this extra one, so don't worry. I feel like one of my biggest problems I have is my makeup sweating off, and a lot of my makeup is high quality, so it just doesn't make any sense to me how my makeup be sweating off. I'm gonna be using this is called Crumble in 7.1, and then the other one that I usually use during the winter-ish is called Gramella, but I was still using a little bit of it during the summer. Okay guys, I fixed my camera settings just a little bit because that shit was acting weird. My concealer now. I also plan on doing an eye look, so I'm gonna go in with some concealer on my eyelids as well, which I typically don't do because I don't really do eye makeup, but we're doing eye makeup today. Okay, and I like to go in with the places that don't have that much concealer for first and blend them out. So, you know, this had the least amount, so I went in with this amount. And then the nose. And I feel like I just do the nose because I just like how my highlighter sticks to it. Then it's just like sitting on my primer. Right, and then my eyes. But now I'm going in with the Huda powder. I bought the test one because I had to give it a test first. Oops, there's hair on my fucking brush. I'm just looking up and pressing that in. And I learned my lesson the hard way, y'all. This is not a baking powder. This powder is to set your makeup. So do not be trying to put extra makeup, especially if you have like oily skin. I have combinations, so I think that's the reason why I be trying to drown my face in powder, but yeah, don't do that. Alrighty, and now I'm gonna start contouring. I'm gonna contour with this Dior palette, and this is the shade Matte Brown, and then what's this palette called? Backstage Eye Palette. And then I'm gonna be going in with this brush. I think it's an e.l.f. brush. It's dirty as hell at the end, don't mind that. But I'm gonna be using a little bit of this. And this is probably gonna end up being the same brush that I use for my eyeshadow. And I'm just giving me that snatched Barbie nose, okay? Trying to look snatched on you hoes. I think nose contouring just makes you look so different. Like, it just always does what it's supposed to do. I'm going in, I don't know where I got this brush, but I'm going in with a little bit of this Backstage one and just patting it right here. This is the natural cheekbones, and this is the one I patted. Look at that, just pat that. And then I go in and I literally rub it in. And I try and like go up like this so it literally looks like my face is like kind of lifted. I don't know, I feel like it just does something. And now I'm about to spray my face. And then we're going to let that dry for a little bit. And once it's completely dry, I'm gonna get to the next step. I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty highlighter, which has been my newest favorite highlighter. I ain't found nothing better than this, y'all. $40, I guess it's worth it. And really, I've had this hoe for like a long time. Like, you see that little dot? Okay. Now, really, in the winter is the only time I like to do highlighter and doing makeup, but summer, my makeup has to be matte, y'all. Like, I always go in with a little highlighter on my nose, though, but my makeup always has to be matte. Okay, and then I'm going in with the same one, and I'm kind of dusting this on top. Just like this. Okay, and now I'm going in with my highlighter brush. And again, winter is highlighter season. I do use the same one for my blush. And for my blush, I use the Blushed Rose Jovia palette. And I use these two colors. I like to go in with the light pink first, so I feel like I have more control. And then I go in with the dark pink, and I obviously like don't use that much. I literally pick up like one little dot of the more hotter pink, and then I blend them together like this. All right, so now like the rest of my face is dry, I'm going to put my moles on my face. Okay, so these are like my natural looking moles. And I wasn't planning on wearing eyeliner, but I think I am gonna wear eyeliner because why not? Okay, so now I'm going in with my jumbo eye pencil, and I'm going to put some on my waterline, which I honestly hate doing this part because my eyes be trying to water. Ooh. And y'all, I promise, after adding mascara, it looks better. So I know she's looking crazy now, but give the girl a break. Bruh, this side came out way perfect than this side. Hold up, cause clock that. We need to redo that. She playing with me. Okay, there we go. Going in with my James Charles palette. I've had this hoe for years and it still ain't even empty. Obviously the white is all gone though. So okay, and I don't know if I want to go for like, I feel like I'm gonna stick to like I want to do light pink. So I'm gonna go in with this light pink right here, and I'm gonna put this in the inner corner. I'm gonna do like an ombre fade actually. Okay, and now I'm gonna go in with this hot pink. Honestly, I should have just used the pink from my palette, but let me put a little bit of this on to see how it looks. Okay, it's not that bad when you use a little bit, but I only want this on the outer part because like I said, I'm trying to create an ombre look. I feel like ombre looks are so easy, especially since I used to practice them a lot in high school. Ooh, what if I did, no, I was thinking of what if I did a pink eyeliner, but no, it's okay. Okay, y'all, this is eating. I'm gonna put just a little bit more pink like on the top area so it looks more like a fade. All right, y'all, so I'm just gonna do a simple quick eyeliner, and then I'm gonna do my mascara super carefully. Okay, it's time for mascara now, and honestly my favorite so far has been this Better Than Sex one. My bottom lashes first, y'all. Okay, now I gotta put mascara at the top. Okay, I only got like a few little dots on the makeup, but I'm not worried about it, y'all. Y'all see how it's a difference with mascara. Like, this little tiny brush. I'm just gonna do this and hope this works, which I think it will work, to be honest. Okay. Y'all, I think this looks really cute. She's giving. Okay, so instead I decided I'm gonna do one more right here and then just do like one twinkle. So, period. It looks so good, very cutesy. Now I'm going in with this, and I'm gonna put some in my inner corner, but only on the outside to where it's not like bothering me. Just like that. Okay guys, so I'm going in with this brown lip liner. Okay guys, and alright, so I'm going in with this I don't know y'all, it's 007, that's the shade. And I'm gonna put this on because I just know it's going to match with everything. So nice. Ooh, y'all, that shit was starting to irritate my head. Okay, y'all, so cute. Okay, guys, and then I can't stop looking at myself, I'm so sorry. But I hope you guys enjoyed this Vlogmas. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys create this cute little Christmassy snowflake look, and bye.